just made it to Lodi Lake. Look at the geese. There's the lake. There are a lot of people walking around. Okay, this is the entry to the Lodi natural trails. Let's go. Okay, so our destination is Pigs Lake. That's the end of the trail. Alright. Some information here. Some cool artwork. There's a mural of the city of Lodi. Oh, look at all the trees. Over 200 different bird species here. Okay, there's 3 different roads here. I think we're gonna go on the one that goes along the river and then probably come back on this paved one. The other one looks like it's just along the levee or along the houses. So yeah, that's my decision. Oh, look at these trees. And these are either wild grapes or mugwort. Okay, there are so many deer here. There's 2 of them. Oh, there's a 3rd one over there. The deers took over the park, I think. Little creek. Here are the deer. There's another one all the way back there. Here are the deer. They're across the waterway though. Little detour here. We can go out to the lake or the river. Oh, there's a ton of deer poop here. Yeah, they come out. You see their prints? They come out to drink the water here. I thought those were otters. We have those at the river in Stockton. I don't know if they have them here. Most likely, it's the same environment. Holos and Cohen. Wait, hello, Konoric. Beautiful. I hear those berries that grow along the water banks. Back on the trail to exit. There's another deer right there. And another deer right there. Hey. The stream. There's another detour here. It looks pretty deep. I'm not gonna go in there. Man, these trees got destroyed by the winds. Look at, so many of them are uprooted. There's so many birds here. Okay, there's another deer right there. Just laying there, and a squirrel walking around next to it. Okay, there's a bench over here. Guess I'm gonna go sit down. Someone put a rope up there. I guess they used to swim out here, but I think swimming is prohibited now because Lodi Lake has too much bacteria and it's not safe for humans to get in there. You'll get very sick. There's little fish jumping out of the water, but there was a big one over there. I don't know if the camera caught that one. Alright, let's go. There's a bridge here that connects us to the paved trail. Alright, this is the rope. It doesn't even look that old. I think someone just put it there in recent years. Yeah, it doesn't look that tattered. Yeah, look at all of these tracks. Looks like there was a fire here. The big birds up there. Selfie time. More deer. Yeah, you can see a big old house off in the distance.
Is there a deer back there?
Do I dare to walk onto this tree? Nah. Nope. Look at the grapevines. I think we're almost at Pig Lake. Still walking. And this is Pigs Lake. This is the end of it. Let's see. Yep. Pigs Lake. A lot of people are sitting over there. I think that's like another beach area. Okay, now I'm heading back. I got off of the dirt road. Now I'm on the paved trail. Feels better. As usual, it's my fault for wearing Crocs to go hiking. I should be wearing closed-toe shoes, but they're so comfortable. We're gonna see a lot more deer on this side. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. I think that's a patch of wild corn there. See all the bright green stalks? Did someone drop a pocket full of corn nuts here? Oh, there's like a tree tunnel. What is this? Wow, that's nice.
Morning.
How's it going?
Morning. Oh, cool idea.
It's a really cool place. Live oaks. Alright, we're back in the shade. I guess we have bat in the area too. I think those are the cotton that they were talking about in one of the placards. Nice. Alright, that sign reads A Tale of Two Woodlands. Selfie time. Relaxing. Next to the trash can. Oh, there's babies. Baby deer. Alright, looks like we're reaching the end of the trail. I see the signs back there. That's where we started. Okay, alright, that is a huge redwood. Boom. Alright, I'm at the end of the trail now. I'm gonna head to the Panera Bread and get a drink. This was an easy trail. Yeah, I highly recommend coming here. There's a lot of people here, older folks as well. This is like it's a cakewalk basically. Alright, but I am tired though. Don't get me wrong. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Right when I was ending the video, there was another deer. This one's more in the open. I wish I could have seen the one with the two babies, but she walked into the bushes. Yeah. Nice. Here's a video of a cat. It's probably looking for squirrels and the lake.